How's it going, YouTube? My name is Ari and welcome to Blue Lion Finance, a channel dedicated to investing in my personal journey to amassing $100,000 with my Vanguard brokerage account. Now, I'm sure you all caught it yesterday, but if you didn't, the market was incredibly volatile just given we had the consumer price index report come out, and what do you know, inflation rose yet again to 8.5%. That's up from 7.9% just the other month. And of course, with that news, the market shook. All three indexes fell by about 0.3%. That's from the Dow Jones, S&P, and the NASDAQ all collectively falling, and my account did not go unscathed. It fell by $1,539.50, now leaving my account sitting at $89,219.33 on the day, and bringing me to today's video, in which I want to talk about the three stocks I've been doubling down on just within the past couple of days worth of volatility. Don't miss out on today's video. Tap on that thumbs up button and help me grow this channel. Of course, if you haven't already subscribed, make your way over to doing so. I'd certainly love for each and every one of you to be on this journey with me. Now, YouTube, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, YouTube, you gotta love when life throws you lemons, because that's all you can really do is just make lemonade. Now, I don't know what happened from the intro of my video and trying to record the second half of my video. However, my camera gave out.
Well, maybe it's just because you're ugly.
Ugly? You gotta be kidding me.
Now, here we are. Welcome to my apartment, but let's get going with today's video, because I want to share with you that inflation is, of course, at 8.5%. That is up from 7.9% just the other month. And now the Federal Reserve coming out to share with us how aggressively they're going to be fighting inflation is certainly leaving all of us investors on our toes, because at the end of the day, we are only human. And all of this is now causing a lot of volatility, which of course makes for stocks to go on sale. That is exactly where we all should be striking and picking up these quality stocks while they're on sale, which leads me right into today's video. And I want to talk about the very first stock of the day. We have Stag Industrial, that's ticker symbol STAG. Now, Stag Industrial was founded back in 2010. It is a real estate investment trust. They have been steadily growing by acquiring property after property, now amassing a very diversified portfolio of single-tenant industrial properties, 544 to be exact, with a current market capitalization sitting just above $7 billion. Now, what's more is the fact that Stag Industrial is a part of the e-commerce puzzle, and a piece of that puzzle that is rarely even considered. Stag Industrial's properties are mainly warehouses and loading docks. Both are essential for logistics, not to mention some of Stag's biggest clients range from FedEx to Tempur Sealy mattress, and of course the kingpin, we have Amazon. And despite all of the volatility, these tenants having signed those long-term leases are locked in, which means that a company like Stag Industrial is incredibly safe regardless of where exactly the market is at. Now, in regards to where their current stock share price sits, it is actually down from their 52-week high where they were sitting around $48 per share. They're now trading for around $39 per share, about an 18% change, and a ripe opportunity given their PE ratio is actually at a low here for them at 34.51, but as soon as retail inventories recover and of course supply chains are actually repaired, we can expect that Stag Industrial is going to continue to perform very well, coming back up to a median stock share price at $47 per share, a high stock share price at $55 per share. Now, so right now, that dividend yield of theirs is at 3.55%. So of course we can kick back and relax, collect on those dividends. Now, just the other day, I picked up 2 more shares worth of Stag Industrial for $79.28, bring my portfolio count of Stag Industrial up to 26 total shares. Next up, I want to talk about Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. Now, Bank of America is America's second largest bank, which actually just received the top ranking for retail banking advice in 2021, and ultimately it outshines its competitors in terms of customer service, with approximately 4,200 branches and over 16,000 ATMs, serving over 67 million clients, whether consumer or small business. Now, personally, I attribute all their success here to the emphasis of consumer satisfaction put forth by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, with 12.52% stake in Bank of America. Of course, since the onset of the pandemic, financial plays like Bank of America have been badly beaten down, and Bank of America has not been an exception to the rule. Their stock fell from their 52-week high here from $50 a share down to $39 per share. That is a 22% change, and honestly, with their PE ratio still hovering around 10.97, and their market cap is sitting at $319 billion, in which they actually plan to continue to ramp up their digital banking efforts. This is all ultimately exciting analysts bringing their median stock share price up back to $50 per share and a high stock share price at $66 per share. Now, in even better news, as dividend investors, we get to collect on Bank of America's standout dividend, coming in at a dividend yield of 2.12%. Now, the other day, I went ahead to pick up 2 more shares worth of Bank of America for $78.39, bringing my total share count of Bank of America up to 31 shares. And last but not least, when it comes to my final purchase of the day, yesterday, I went ahead to pick up another share worth of Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, ticker symbol VTI. Now, with this particular fund, we were talking about investing in the entire stock market, buying into over 4,000 stocks, ranging from small, mid, and large caps, and incorporating both growth and value plays. Yesterday, I went ahead to pick up 1 more share worth of VTI, and I did so for $222.69, bringing my total share count of VTI up to 41 total shares. Now, YouTube, that's all I have for you today in terms of my investments that I've been making amidst all of this volatility, from Stag Industrial, Bank of America, and of course the entire stock market with Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund. Let me know your thoughts by dropping comments below, and of course let me know if any of these stocks are within your portfolio, if you have any intentions of investing in them. Do keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor, so always just do your due diligence prior to making any investment decisions following my videos. However, what you can do for me is tap on that thumbs up button and help me grow this channel. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, make your way over to doing so. I'd certainly love to have each and every one of you on this journey. And until this microphone is fixed, the camera's back up and running, YouTube, I will see you in the next video.